Man.He is a British sports broadcaster and journalist. He was a boxing commentator for Sky Sports and presented their American football, as well as ice hockey, 10-pin bowling and numerous other events. Halling used to co-present the National Football League (NFL) on Sky Sports along with Kevin Cadle. He is also known for his coverage of the National Hockey League on Channel 5 in the UK. He also narrates Channel 4's football program Goalissimo, BBC's The Football League Show, KOTV Boxing magazine shows, and Channel 5's World's Strongest Man.He was the first non-American to commentate on a live NFL game in the USA. And he has done work for Sky's sister network, Fox. Halling is a fan of the Pittsburgh Steelers. He is an avid supporter of Southampton F.C. and regularly presents the club's season review DVDs. References